Hello students, hope you are all well and studying well with the help of the online materials you are getting onwards. So, today I am discussing about a unit on class 3 English grammar, and the unit is preposition. From the name itself, you can know that actually we are getting two parts from the word, that is pre and another is position. Pre means that comes before and the position means the situation. So now come to the board. As I have written, choose the proper noun and pronoun to make a sentence. There are boy, very, on, he, chair. So, I have taken the boy and the appropriate verb is, and I have taken the chair from here, and in another sentence I have taken the pronoun, verb and the chair. So, the first sentence comes like the boy is the chair, and the second sentence comes like he is the chair. Is it clearing the complete sense? Is the boy or he himself the chair, like he needs a chair? No, they are not. So, now look, if I put the word on, it clears the complete sense. The boy is on the chair and he is on the chair. So, what is the word on doing here? Actually, it is relating the next word, the next noun with the noun, the boy, and in second sentence, it is relating the noun with the pronoun. So actually what on is doing, on is relating the noun with the other part of the sentence. In first sentence, that is the boy, and in second sentence, that is he. So actually the word is relating the next word sitting beside it to the other part of the sentence, which will be a noun or a pronoun. So on is a relating word. Relating word is preposition. So to define, we can say a word that relates a noun or pronoun with the other part of the sentence is called a preposition. To repeat, we can say a word that relates a noun or a pronoun with the other part of the sentence is called a preposition. You have read it as পদান্বয়ী অব্যয় বা সম্বন্ধসূচক অব্যয় in Bengali. So students, now I am giving here a list of prepositions and showing the applications of them. In the first sentence, the chalk is in the drawer. The chalk is in the drawer. Look, preposition always comes after the verb. So in the sentence, is the verb and preposition comes here. It is relating the word, the noun drawer with the other noun of the sentence. Sentence number B, the book is on the table. Similarly, here comes the preposition on. It is relating the table with the noun book. Sentence number 3, the cat is under the table. So under is the preposition that is relating the noun table with the cat. Sentence number D, the camera is near the teacher. So here comes the preposition near, and it is relating teacher with the camera. It is relating the noun with another noun. The chair is beside the teacher. So beside is preposition here, and it is relating the teacher with the another noun chair. You are sitting in front of the teacher. You are sitting in front of the teacher. So here, where is the preposition? If this is the verb, this group of words is the preposition. You have to learn this preposition in front of. This is not one word, but this is a group of words. It means সামনে. যদি কেউ তোমার সামনে থাকে, you can say like I am saying, you are sitting in front of the teacher. It is relating the teacher with the pronoun. Next sentence, he will arrive before Sunday. So here is the verb and here is the preposition. It is relating Sunday with the pronoun he. Let's come to the next sentence. The sun sets at, after I am writing here the two prepositions, 6 p.m. Actually, at, the application of at is when you are expressing some time that is related to the clock, like 7 a.m., 6 p.m. There will be the numeral time there. Okay, so the sun sets at 6 p.m. and here at is the preposition and after that means পরে. So the sun sets after 6 p.m. মানে 6টার পরে সূর্য অস্ত যায়. Look, these are not same in meaning. Okay, the big pond is behind our house. So here is the preposition behind that is relating the house with the house is a noun and the big pond that is a group of word that refers a noun actually. Come to the next sentence. J, I go to the temple every Monday. So here is the verb and here is the preposition to. Actually we have to discuss two preposition more because the students generally omits this one and this causes number deduction. So if we are going somewhere to some places like temple, shopping mall, wherever we are going, we put two preposition in front of the place. Okay, so I go to the temple every Monday. So these two preposition is relating the temple with I. So sentence number K, my father goes with me to the field. Look, actually there are two prepositions in the sentence. One is with and another is to. With is relating me, the pronoun is a pronoun relating me with my father, and here comes the to. To is actually relating the field and field with me and also with my father indirectly. তাই এই সেন্টেন্সটা দেখো তোমরা অ্যাকচুয়ালি দুটো প্রিপোজিশন রয়েছে, একটা হলো উইথ, একটা হলো টু। উইথ কি করছে? উইথ জয়েন করছে মি কে মাই ফাদারের সঙ্গে, উইথ রিলেট করছে মি কে মাই ফাদারের সঙ্গে, আর এই টু কি করছে? টু ফিল্ড কে রিলেট করছে, ডিরেক্টলি রিলেট করছে মি এর সাথে and indirectly relate করছে my father এর সঙ্গে। That's all for today. You will be getting more informations in the coming PDF. So stay home and stay safe. Thank you.